Now we're going to talk about microwaves. So let's make some chili. Now, the first thing you need to remember when you're putting stuff in the microwave is what type of dishes you should be using. Make sure you're using microwave safe dishes. If you're not sure, you can look on the bottom or sometimes even Google it and it usually will tell you. So certain plastics and also glass are microwave safe. You don't want to use stuff like this because this isn't microwave safe. Let's talk about some other things you don't want to use. Just make sure you're not putting any sort of foil or metals in the microwave because it will react with the microwave and it will be really bad. So don't do that. You also want to make sure you don't put in styrofoam in the microwave because it could catch on fire. So just make sure you're putting in plastic that's microwave safe or glass. And that's it. Hocus Pocus, safe food focus. Cooking stuff in the microwave, you want to put a lid on it and cover it so it doesn't get dried out. Okay, when you put things in the microwave, you want to make sure you only cook them for a little bit of time and then check it to see if it's done because you don't want to overcook it. Dun, 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 dun. Kind of. Still cooking. All right, let's check it. Make sure you use hot pads so you don't burn yourself. And when you open the container, open it away from you so the steam doesn't get on your face. Okay, let's check it and see if it's done. Okay, it's all done. Make sure you shut the microwave.
Hocus Pocus, safe food focus.
The real magic is being safe with your food. It's disgusting. I love it.